How to deactivate LinkedIn account temporarily. Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding how you can temporarily deactivate your LinkedIn profile. So you can go to linkedin.com for that and go to your account. You can even use the application if you prefer. And once you are logged in, you can go directly to your Me tab in the top, light it up, and go open up your settings and privacy of LinkedIn. Click on it to open it up. After you open up your settings of your LinkedIn, the next step you need to do is you need to go to account preference if you're not on it, or by default it will be selected. And from here, you may just scroll through the given options until you reach over to this account management section right here. After you reach over here, you will need to select the first option called hibernate account, not the close account. So you can select hibernate account, which is similar to deactivating account. So you can read the terms and conditions, which means if you hibernate your account, it will deactivate it temporarily, and you can reactivate anytime after 24 hours by logging back in. So you can head over and look out for these terms and click on hibernate once you're okay with it. And here you need to give a reason why you would like to hibernate account. So give a reason why you would like to do so. If you'd like to so let's say if you need a break, you can select the first option, or we have other options as well. Once it is still done, you can click on this option right here and you can add up any other feedback if you prefer, and you can click on next. After that is done, for one last time, you need to go ahead and confirm that this is your profile by completing this verification process and type the password for your account. And once it is done, you can just go ahead and confirm it and click on hibernate account, and that way your account will be temporarily deactivated on LinkedIn. So this is how you deactivate LinkedIn account temporarily. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.